Good afternoon. How long does a personal injury take to process, to get through the whole process in Massachusetts? My name is Neil Burns, and I'm here this afternoon to talk with you folks about how long a case takes in Massachusetts if you've been injured. You're not going to get a straight answer, but I'll give you some information that may help you. First of all, the sooner you file suit, the quicker your case moves. However, you don't always want to file suit because there may be things you don't want the other side to get, such as tax returns, or you're not finished treating and you don't know what your final diagnosis will be. You don't know where you're going to be medically if you've been injured, so you might want to wait for that. So a typical case, we wait till the person finishes treating or as a medical end result. So for example, you break your leg, you have a 20% loss of function to your leg, you can't work, or something of that nature. We know that probably within a year. If the insurance company isn't taking us seriously, and we can tell that, then we file suit. Again, sometimes there's a reason to file suit earlier on, certainly in a wrongful death case, in a case where we know they're not going to take us seriously because there's a liability question. But we file suit at some point in time. And then how long does it take? Well, it depends on that particular court. Middlesex is different from Suffolk, which is different from Norfolk, which is different from Western Mass and the Cape and the islands. They're different schedules, but they do give you right away when you file suit some timelines. And in those timelines, you have to get all your discovery done by a certain date. We try to push getting discovery done on our end so that we know what's missing, what documents are missing, what witnesses are missing from the obvious. Once we get all that done, we're essentially done. We're ready for trial. The other side wants to slow things down typically, and because they don't want to pay out, so they will slow it down. They'll push up against the time standards, and that's fine. That's what they do. We just keep pushing very aggressively to get our case going. Most cases settle within 2 years of when we start asking for money, when we push, when we say we're done, here's the documents you need, and they can evaluate. Some cases can be resolved in 30 days. Sometimes it's crystal clear. If there's a serious injury and a small insurance policy, that can be resolved quicker. If they want to take a statement and it's pretty clear that once they take the statement, they'll pay the policy, that can be done quicker as well. But if it's a serious case and there's a big insurance policy and they're not going to likely pay it, we have to go through the process and the procedure. So strategic decision as to when to file suit, and then both sides play the civil procedure game while the case is in suit. What you want is, number one, an attorney you can work with who's caring. Number two, an attorney who's effective, so that things that are done to prosecute your case, to push your case forward. And therefore, number three, someone who's aggressive, someone who's aggressively pushing your case forward once you've agreed on a strategy with your lawyer. We're like that. I've been here at 6 Beacon Street in this same building since 1987, and along with my partner, Rashawn Jan, we settle cases and we litigate cases right through to trial. We will help you. We'll give you a free initial consultation. Call us. It's really worth talking to a lawyer to get going on your case. Give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. 617-227-7423. Thank you.